As usual, we are looking at gold on the H4 chart, and here is the information I have for you, the update from today. Gold hasn't been moving very much, even yesterday not moving very much, up and down, and not really moving very far in either direction. And what we've got now is on the day one chart, it's neutral. All right, we've been bullish for so long, but now it's neutral on the day one chart. And when we see neutral on the day one chart, that could usually oftentimes indicate a change in direction. So we could be turning bearish for the long term. And in fact, yesterday we closed below the 20-day moving average, which I've been talking about. Below the 20-day moving average, the bears have control. The bears, the sellers, they have the advantage. And so we're seeing that right now, it looks like, with not really much movement going on, and the day chart and the 4-hour chart is neutral, it tells me that there's a lot of indecision in the market. And, I mean, like, it seems like people can't really make up their mind uh, what they're doing. Some confusion, scratching their head, it seems like. Which way are we going to go? We're going to go up? We're going to go down? This is a guy that has more influence over the movement of the US dollar than anybody in the world, Mr. Jerome Powell. And he's scratching his head. So it tells me a lot of indecision in the market right now. And what we're waiting on now is in about 30 seconds is some very important news that's going to be coming out. And let me just go over and share that chart with you. This is from investing.com. All right, and we have two main news items coming out. Every week at this time, we have the initial jobless claims, and that can usually move the market for a little while. But now in about 10 seconds, we also have, this is the GDP quarter on quarter. So this could be a really big number. And if this is good, if this comes out green color, all right, that's going to be good for the US economy, and that will put pressure on gold. So let's just see what the numbers are going to be. And it looks like, well, the jobless claims are green, and that's just a little bit better. The actual is just a little bit better than forecast, but the GDP is bad. Oh, much worse than forecast. The actual is much worse than forecast. So we see gold moving up right now, just a little bit, now coming back down. So you have a red number and a green number, a good news and a bad news. And we'll just go back over here to gold, to our gold chart, and we'll see what we've got showing now. Of course, on the 4-hour chart, it's a little bit hard to see what movement is happening. Let me go to the 5-minute chart. And yeah, here we are on the 5-minute chart, and you see a big reaction. Probably this bad news on the GDP should normally be good for gold. But you see a lot of indecision in the market. I mean, it's turning totally red now, and then green. Oh, big reaction. But remember, just relax. Don't trade right now. Don't take any trades right now. We don't know what the market sentiment is going to be. We don't know which direction it's going to go. We have our the U.S. economy, so that should be a catalyst for gold to move back up. But what you're seeing now is the bulls and the bears fighting. The bulls and the bears, they're fighting over the price because we're right on the 20-day moving average. So neither the bears nor the bulls have the advantage. So the bears are, they're really trying to push the price down. The bulls are trying to push the price back up. And it's just incredible to watch. And who's going to win this fight? The bulls or the bears? Who's going to win this fight? Well, we don't know. Let me go to the 15-minute chart. Oh, it looks like the bears are really pretty strong. I go to the 15-minute chart. Yeah, the bears They're really trying to take control here. And I told you when we closed yesterday below the 20-day moving average that the bears have control. And you can see that now, obvious. Even with bad news on the U.S. economy, which should be good for gold, we see gold is dropping in price. So let me go back to the 4-hour chart. We don't want to sit here and watch this. This will happen. This will go on for like 30 minutes or so. This inaction up and down all over the place. Let's go back to the 4-hour chart here and plan our trade. Okay, let's plan our trade. We want to plan our trade, trade the plan. Don't trade the news. Don't trade the news. Okay, just relax. All right, you don't have to trade all the time, every day, every minute. Don't chase candles. This is the main thing. Don't chase candles. I hope you didn't do a big buy trade just now, because gold has already come back down. It did go up very quickly there, but now it's come back down. So we have support at 23.16. Right now trading at 23.17, 23.27, 23.27 right now. And we have support, if we should go down, 23.16, and below that 22.98. And if we move up, then we have resistance at 23.33 and 23.44. Our two support levels and our two resistance levels. I would just wait till another hour, hour and a half, and wait till Wall Street opens, wait till the stock market gets moving, and you have more traders, more volume, more volatility, and then we'll start to see what the market sentiment is going to be. But just relax. Don't chase these candles. You'll get into trouble. Okay, just that was a big news item that came out right now. It should be good for gold, but it looks like the bears have control. So we might start to see lower prices in today's U.S. session. Okay, any questions or comments, leave them below this. And don't forget to be sure and join my subscribe to my YouTube weekly analysis. I release every Sunday. Every Sunday I do a weekly analysis on YouTube for gold and all the major pairs and two minor pairs. So be sure you've subscribed to my YouTube channel, and the link is in this video here. You can find it. And for today, don't forget to like, love, and share. And I'll see you again next time. Have a good session of trading, and I'll see you tomorrow.